Hello, and we're still in session one, shopping cart. We're going to go over the topic category management on your website. Now, categories on a website, in this training site that we have, we've got it called right now departments, but each category or department, whatever you want to call it, is basically gives you the ability to organize your toys by a categorization. So, for example, dolls and accessories would have dolls and accessories in it, and display all the different dolls and accessories that you have for your dolls. Like on this training site, we have quite a few Groovy Girls and some Carole on the site that are categorized here. Now, what we're going to be showing you is like when you first get your STN site from us, we'll have some default categories set up for you and organized in such a way. Now, you can change those categories to be whatever you want. You have the ability to delete, add, make more, remove, make subcategories, all of those different things. And I'm going to show you how to do that now through the back end. So you will need to be logged in the back end of your site, of course, and you'll need to go to Shopping Cart. So you can go manage the shopping cart settings and, in this case, the categories. Clicking on the category tree, you'll quickly see that these are the categories that are currently set up on the training site right now. And I'm going to show you, one, how to create a new category, and then also how to do some things with your category as far as organization. The first category I'm going to create is I'm going to make it a subcategory of dolls and accessories. So let's go ahead and create new. And let's go ahead and give this name. Let's call it Doll Houses. And let's look at a little bit of the description. Now, I'm not going to go too much into writing this description because I'm not a very good writer, but it is important to have a description for your category. The reason for this is it becomes meta information that describes this category. And when I mean meta information, it's the information that the search engines build on this landing page, because a category is a landing page, and it does have value to people that are searching for doll houses, for example. So maybe I'd say, and make it pretty specific as to what you have here on this category. So maybe I would say here at Out of the World Toys, which is our play or training site, we carry a large variety of doll houses and accessories, like, or say from brands, makers like Melissa and Doug, whoops. Anyway, the point I'm making here, I'm not going to get, again, I'm not a good writer, but the point I'm making is I'm creating a description for this category, which is important. Again, you can, using this editor, create a good add in images or maybe even make some more fleshed out descriptions of a category. I'm just going to go ahead and use this as a quick example. Say Melissa and Doug and Plan Toys. You also see that you do have the ability to say choose the parent. I'm going to go ahead and choose dolls and accessories as my parent, and I'll show you how that plays out in just a bit. Now, in the category tree, if we scroll down here, and let me go to dolls and accessories, let me zoom up a bit for you so you can see this better. You'll see that under dolls and accessories, there's another one called doll houses with a description here, which is that description that I showed or I wrote. You also see that there are no products currently in this category. in the root category, dolls and accessories, there are 32 products. And this might be a good time to go back and look at your products that are in your dolls and accessories, because some of them might also fit within the category doll houses. Now on the front end, if we go and refresh or reload the page, let me also zoom back out so we can see what we're doing here. And we go to dolls and accessories, you'll see that there's now a subcategory called doll houses. And from here, you could click there and you'll see that there are no doll houses, so it says search within doll houses was empty. So what we're going to want to do now is, probably add some products to that subcategory called doll houses. And to do that, again, let's quickly to just add some products in there. Let's go to the product editor, from products, product editor, and this is that editor again. Let's go ahead and go to our categories. Let's call it, let's see, dolls. And let's see what comes up. Dolls and accessories. Let's scroll down there and see any dollhouse products that we'd want to have in there. No, not really seeing any doll products. So we'd actually want to go add some products. But if we quickly just say, let's go check these two girls here and go and add these into doll houses as well. And go to doll houses. You'll see now that there's just a couple of products in there, which of course are not the appropriate products for doll houses. But you also see that here's the description for doll houses. Now, you'll also see that these products within doll houses, you can have those in other categories as well. But the important thing is that, let me stop this, step back. The category doll houses has its own URL, doll houses, as well as its own description. So it does become a landing page that search engines crawl and cache and can help with your pages that might get searched out and found within search engines. So it even has the meta information that you created for the description of the category. So again, it's good to do descriptions for your categories. It's optional, but it does help out with the search ranking and really making it searchable for users out there that are searching for doll houses in this case. Let's go back to the category, list categories. And let's talk a little bit about the organizational capabilities of your categories. Currently, you see that party supplies is at the very top, and it is in a root, what we call a one level, root level. So it's at the very root. And if we kind of just look down a little bit, and let me scroll in here to show you this, you'll see that as we get to bathtub toys, there's another subcategory called toys for water play. And it's within underneath, and you notice that it has a 2 on it as far as for a subcategory. Now there's no limit as to how many subcategories you can create. It's just that it's good to make sure that your root level categories, which are the most valuable as far as search engine, is going to be well populated, and before you go start creating a bunch of other subcategories. The subcategorization is for people that are browsing your site, or think of it as people that are browsing your site, trying to get to the products that they want to get to by browsing. Again, Party Supplies has no products in there, so it's going to just list products. Now, let's look at this here as far as organizational. Right now, say Party Supplies, we don't want it to be at the top. We want it to be alphanumeric, and if you notice all these other root level ones have a list order of the same, 20. If you have them all at the same list order, like 20, and save that, then Party Supplies will actually go where it should be alphanumerically. So let me scroll back out here and hit home. And you'll see that Party Supplies, which was at the top, is now down after O, Party Supplies. So it's alphabetically sorted now, as opposed to using the ordering of the back end. But this does give you the ability to say, I want a new category. For example, let's create a new category, making it a parent category. Call it sale items. Okay. And say, find the best deals on toys here at Out of the World Toys. Best. So I'm going to do a little bit of my own find the best out of the world deals on toys here at Out of the World Toys is the description, and I'm going to call it sale items. Actually, it might be better, and again, these category names are good information for people when you want to do it. So maybe you want to say sale items, maybe toy sales or toys on sale might be a better name for this category. And not items. Items pretty generic, but maybe toys on sale would be a good one for it. And hit save. Now, if you notice, whenever you create a new category, it always gets up down at the very bottom. So you'll see that these were the next available IDs or organization. I'm going to put this guy at the top because I feel that this is going to be a guy that's going to be at the top all the time and really worth doing. Okay. So toys on sale. Now, say for example, I want to add products to this one and only the sale products. I could go back to that product editor and then I could say, you know what, show me the discounted products here, and that would let me then choose these guys because they have discounts on them and then assign them not only to the other two categories that they're assigned to, but also to the toys on sale category. So now let's go to the front end. So I'm showing you a couple different things. One, I've showed you how to create a category and then how to assign products again back to that category using the inline editor. So if I go to toys on sale, you'll see, oh, these are all the toys that are on sale. So it allows me quickly to, organize and filter out these products and get them in categories, so that way people can find these products if they're being, thrifty shoppers and you have products you want to move. This might be a good category for you to create and get on your website so that people can come here and buy your discounted products or the products you're trying to move quickly online. And again, this then makes a nice category that you can link to from Facebook or from any of your other things. So toys on sale being the URL. If we look at the information about the page, you'll see that find the best out of the world deals on toys here at Out of the World Toys is the meta description. Again, just kind of helping you, but that's creating a category and organizing your category. So pretty simple, but also very effective and can help you organize your products and do a little bit more optimization and marketing on your website. So please check out the next video in this session 1.